Was just setting out for a bike ride. When I went to go load up my car, my light was on saying that I have low pressure on my tire. So guess what? There is a nail in my tire. I have located the nail. Stupid nail. I've never plugged my tire before, so we'll walk through it together. So many people watch the videos, but they don't subscribe. Please hit that like button and please subscribe. I already had the kit. Comes with this. You take one of these sticky plugs and feed it through this eyelet here, and then this part moves, but this protects you from going in too far with. And then once it's in, patches inside the tire, you hold it, and then you slide this sticky plug off. It contains rubber cement in the pack. The rubber cement on the plug right before you put it in. Don't do this without having an air compressor close by, because once I do pull out the nail, I'm gonna have lost a lot of air in my tire. So on the directions, it says that I have to pry the nail out. I don't have a lot of tools, so trying to find the right tools is what really makes it difficult. How in the hell do you grab a hold of the nail and pull it out? Oh, nothing is easy. That sucks. That is not it. Try some needle nose. Now the directions say to do this in and out. And then taking the plug. Wow, it worked. I got the nail out and I got the plug in. It's right there. Now the directions say to cut off any extra plug that's sticking out of the tire. It's sticking out, so just now I'm gonna air it up and that should be good. Can air up tires with it. We're gonna spray the soap on it. No bubbles. Hey, that wasn't as bad as I thought. The hardest part was getting the nail out. The plug is holding up. I didn't know I could plug a tire, but hey, please subscribe to my channel and look at other helpful videos that I have put out. And thanks to all my subscribers that I already have. I really, really, really do appreciate you. And I hope you learned something from this. And please hit that like button and please subscribe. Thanks. Bye.